Trushine cleaning. Let's get it clean the right way. Dirty carpets in your home, yeah, we handle that. Upholstery looking tired, we bring it back. Tile and grout, yeah, we make it shine. Professional service every single time.
What's up YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. This is Mike, the owner of Trushine Cleaning. Take you guys in and show you guys what I'm doing today. If anyone's looking for services, please give me a call at 314-518-1853. This one out. This one out. This one there. This one. I work all three. I'll show you guys the pictures. Wasn't able to get that spot out, but I'm gonna show you guys the pictures once I'm done. So